This presentation has been created using a completely free tool. A strong and engaging PowerPoint presentation not only captures the audience's attention, but also helps convey your ideas in a clear, organized, and professional way. If you want to design similar presentations without paying for expensive software, simply follow the steps below. So let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Kimmy AI. Open this link. This website helps you create free presentation. Once the website opens, look at the menu on the left side of the screen, where you will find an option labeled Slides. Go ahead and click on this option. A prompt box will appear where you can enter the topic for which you want the PowerPoint presentation. For example, I am requesting a presentation on how artificial intelligence is transforming daily life. After entering your topic, Kimmy AI will begin gathering information and generating structured content related to the development of AI in daily life. This process may take a few seconds while the system prepares your material. You can see it had 18 web search. Once Kimmy AI finishes generating the content, you will see 3 different modes available: Banana, Adaptive, and Classic mode. Select Adaptive mode for more customizable design options. In this mode, you will be shown a variety of professional templates that you can choose from. Pick the one that best matches your topic. For instance, I am choosing this template because it aligns well with the theme of my presentation. Next, click on the Generate Slides button. Kimmy AI will begin creating your full presentation automatically. You can monitor the progress bar displayed on the screen to track how much of the presentation has been completed. After a short wait, your entire set of slides will be ready. Finally, click on the Download button and select the PPT format to save your presentation. After downloading, open the PowerPoint file on your computer. You can now edit, rearrange, or customize the slides according to your preferences, add your own images, or modify the text to suit your style. This method makes creating high-quality presentations fast, easy, and completely free. Thanks you for watching.